Test natin tong ENC 2104 High Kappa Infinity. Shoutout kay Boss Joey. So naka metal slide na siya, metal yung frame. Then may underrail na siya for accessory attachment. Threaded yung outer barrel. So naka fiber optic sights, front sight. Mag capacity is 26 rounds. So price is 4,300. And ito makikita nyo to guys sa budget meal folder natin. Okay, test natin. 334, 305. For more details, mag-PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.